A St. Catherine man was shot dead by police after he allegedly stabbed his spouse in Kitson Town in the parish on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as Kemar Robinson, a laborer of a St. Catherine address. Police reportedly responded to a call about a domestic disturbance about 11:30 a.m. and on their arrival observed a woman with multiple stab wounds to her upper body. The man reportedly then attacked the police and was shot and killed by the officers. The injured lady was rushed to hospital and admitted in serious condition. Video footage was circulated via social media showing the police retrieving the bleeding woman from the house in the Bendon district and placing her in the back of a pickup truck. Footage also emerged showing two residents attempting to help the cops place Robinson's naked, lifeless body in the back of a pickup truck with less than favorable results. Acting Commanding Officer for the St. Catherine North Division, Superintendent Upton Nicholson, commended residents for alerting police of the incident in a timely manner. He also urged Jamaicans to seek non-violent means to settle disputes. Seek intervention even if it means professional help when necessary, Nicholson said. Teacher and People's National Party PNP councillor candidate in St. Elizabeth O'Shane Gale was charged Sunday with assault after allegedly hitting his pregnant partner with a piece of board during a domestic dispute. When contacted, Gale declined to speak about the matter. "I will not comment on this matter at this moment," he told the Gleaner this morning. "I have to contact my lawyer." The incident reportedly happened on Saturday and was reported to the Lacovia police on Sunday, a police source said. He was charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. Gale was granted bail in his own surety. Gale is a teacher at the Magati High School in St. Elizabeth. He is also the PNP representative for the Lacovia Division in the Municipal Corporation.